So let's talk about how to overcome that fear of not being good enough. And let me start by saying that, oh yes, you definitely are good enough. You're just not realizing it because guess what? You're looking left, you're looking right, you are comparing yourself, you're asking people, you want that validation. You don't need to do that. All you need to do is focus on your achievements, not on your shortcomings. Set realistic goals and celebrate when you reach them. And also replace those negative thoughts with affirmations. And remember, you define your worth, not anyone else. So those temporary setbacks are just little lessons that you need to go through and to learn something. So pretty much, yes, you are good enough. And yes, you can start by setting smart, achievable goals and by celebrating them. And if you want some help, please connect with me. My life coaching program is absolutely transformational. A lot of people, hundreds of people I have helped throughout my career, and I would love to help you as well.